Hey guys, I'm Taylor. I'm just Kathleen and the at bed at night like like taking care of and the girl like to have I think was blended on caffeine and Pepsi that I drink. The little ant that is the only reason why we even have English. Yeah, Adriana Elaine Garcia that has a TikTok account. But yeah, we guys whenever we find out the name of it. Yeah. And also there's no 60-minute right now available for my phone. So I have to guys I feel like my 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 grandpa's TikTok account. It's called Overlay 23. Mean live streaming about our mean aunt. Yeah. And he has a basketball team and travel ball. Pants left the entry to number 25. And the back of her shirt says Garcia. And the letters are pink while the background's black. And also, he, while I was in the court on this day, it's a Saturday, and also Adrian wouldn't even let me make any noise. Well, we like making noises. Yeah. We want to talk coconut. Got coconut. We got coconut. Also, Adrian screams at us because we went at normal. Whole kids make noises. You're watching this Adrian language. Yeah, if you're watching this, all kids make noises. Yeah, definitely my class. It's also that's just my. Forget about